Lecture 4. The Power of Connections and Linked Thinking. Most of us take notes like we're storing items in boxes. One box for class notes, another box for a meeting, another for personal ideas. The problem is, those boxes rarely talk to each other. Napkin AI changes this. Instead of boxes, it builds a network where every node can connect to others automatically. Suddenly, ideas you thought were unrelated start to spark against each other. In this lecture, you will learn how Napkin AI connects your notes into a network of ideas and why linked thinking sparks deeper insights. You will also see how to strengthen these connections and apply them to real projects. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to see how Napkin AI automatically links your notes. Understand why connected notes create better insights. Practice strengthening these connections for your own work. Example 1. A university student. Imagine you're writing a paper on renewable energy policy. You have captured 3 separate notes in Napkin AI. For example, you just write in here as solar energy costs have dropped by 80% since 2010 and press enter. And here you can see you have all these in here. Let's assume you just want to conclude this one, so you just click in here. And here you can see you have multiple options like this one, or you can use this one as well. You can change the style of that as well. And then you just create another napkin, click in here, drop with AI, and you just type in here as government subsidies accelerate adoption of renewable, and click on continue. Here you can see you have this note as well. And again, you just create another napkin in here, drop with AI, and type in here as climate change impacts rising sea levels and extreme weather. And press enter or click on continue. For example, you just want to create visuals for this specific heading and click in here. Here you can see you have multiple options, like you can use this one, or this one as well. And you just want to go with this one. And the style you can choose like any of these. Napkin AI links this automatically. Suddenly you see a connection. Subsidies don't just push adoption, they also reduce climate impacts by making solar more accessible. That connection becomes a paragraph in your essay. Example 2. A content creator. Say you are brainstorming YouTube video ideas. You note, type in here, drop with AI, and type in here as tips for beating procrastination. And click on continue. Here you can see these are all the tips, but when you just select all and click in here to have visualization of all the content that has been here. So here you can see this is a summary of the entire article that have been written. For example, you can have this one, but if we just summarize everything, then this would be the better option, this one, and you can select the style. So here you can see this is a summary of entire article that have been written in here in the form of visuals. Or you can just click in here and type another prompt as morning routine of successful people and click on continue. So here's the content, and when you just press Ctrl plus A and click on here, so here you can see you have multiple options to represent all this writing in one graphic, and you can just explore all of these. For example, you have all these habits in here, and you can choose any of these more as well. But if we just want to represent as many as we have, so we have 8 so you can just click in here, select the style, or you can customize the style as well, and you can choose any of these, but we just go back and select any of these. So here you can see you have 8 morning routines of successful people in the form of graphics, and you can use anywhere as you want to. For example, you can export that as well in the form of PNG, SVG, PDF, or PPT. You can add another prompt in here, as you can just click in here and type a prompt as the rule of habits in creative work, and click on continue. AI is writing, so you can just wait a while, press Ctrl+A and click in here. So here you can see you have multiple options to represent all this writing in the form of graphics or visuals, and you can have all these. You can search more, and for example, we just want to go with this one. Select the style, and here you are. You have cultivating creativity through habits. So you have 6 habits in the form of visuals. You can change that as well, so you can just click in here, and to make it more visible you can use this one. When Napkin AI connects them, you realize all 3 belong to a bigger theme: productivity psychology. That might lead you to draft a series of related videos instead of 3 scattered ones. Example 3. A professional consultant. Picture a consultant tracking client feedback. Notes include, you can just click in here and type a prompt in here as client A struggles with remote team collaboration, and click on continue. The only thing you will have to do is press Ctrl+A, copy that and paste it in here. Now you will have to write another prompt. Go in here, write with draft, and type in here as client B wants AI powered tools for workflow, and click on continue. Now let the AI write for you. Now do the same thing, press Ctrl+A, copy that and paste in here as this one. Now we'll have to write another prompt and click in here, write with AI, and write in here as remote collaboration fatigue is growing in several industries, and click on continue. Now you will have to do the same thing again. Press Ctrl+A, copy that and paste in here. Now you will have to copy the entire text that you have written from these 3 prompts and click in here, copy that, go back and create new Napkin AI but with blank napkin, and paste the entire text that you have copied. Here you can see you have the data from 3 different prompts, but let's see how they are connected. So press Ctrl+A and click in here. So here you can see you have different options to visualize that. For example, this one, and style could be better if we just use this one. So here you can see we have this visual which represents remote collaboration challenges impact client A. Napkin AI links these to show a pattern. Multiple clients face remote work challenges. That insight could inspire a new workshop, proposal, or strategy paper. Why connections matter. Without connections, you are stuck hunting for notes one by one. With connections, your notes work for you. They generate patterns, clusters, and new ideas, much like how the brain makes associations. Strengthen your links. You can guide Napkin AI to make even smarter connections. Use descriptive tags instead of work tag with remote collaboration or AI tools. Write notes in full thoughts. Napkin AI connects ideas automatically, works better than just connections. Review connections weekly. See which clusters form and decide if they support your current project. Connections turn scattered nodes into a living network of ideas. With Napkin AI, linked thinking helps you uncover patterns and insights you might have otherwise missed.